Hey, what's up, guys? It goes with CALI Rebuildables, and we are checking out the Passat. And this is what happened. I removed the headlight. I removed the fender, which it was really easy to remove. I think it had like eight fasteners. So that's it. I ordered the headlight, the fender, and the glass. I think that was like 35 bucks on eBay, the glass. The fender was 64 something, and the headlight was 80, 82, no, like 84, somewhere around that. But now I'm just gonna wait on the parts. But mainly I'm doing this video because I have a question for you guys. I know I was gonna do I don't know if you guys can remember on I think it was my Kia video or something like that I told you guys that I wanted to do a repair on the Ram using only spray paints. That way you guys could see you could fix a dent or fix something on the car using only spray paints, because some of you don't have the compressor or the spray gun. So this is my question. Before I order the paint from where I usually buy it from, I wanted to ask you guys, if you guys want me to do this with the spray paint, with the spray cans, and do everything with the spray cans with no compressor or none of that, just buy the matching color and the clear, and make it look as good as possible. That way you guys can see that it is possible to come up with nice results using only spray cans. And if you guys want me to go that route, I would just go to my local O'Reilly's or AutoZone, and they have the duplicate color perfect match, I believe it is, and they have some spray cans mixed already to most of the cars. They won't have all of the cars, but they will have most of the cars. So I think this one would be a universal black, BW universal black. I'll try to look for the code and see if they have it. If not, then it would be universal black for BWs. So I would get that paint, maybe one or two of them, and a couple of the clear cans. So if that's the route you want me to go, I would definitely do that. If you guys want me to just do it the way I've been doing it, using my compressor and my spray gun, then I would just order the paint from Automotive Touch-Up Paint or Paint Scratch, and do it the same way I do it all the time. I'm asking you guys because like I said, some of you don't have the compressor or the gun, and you guys might find yourself in a similar problem and might want to fix it without having to spend that much. And let me know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little icon right here in the corner, hit it and subscribe, and like the video. And in the comments, let me know what you guys think and what you guys want me to do with the car. That's it for this video, guys.